Hi everyone, welcome back to English Excellence with Chaya. Today I'm going to talk about the shadowing technique. English language learners across the globe are using this technique to sound more natural in their conversation or communication. So by the end of this lesson, what you will learn is what is the shadowing technique, how to practice it on a daily basis, how to achieve fluency with shadowing technique. Also, at the end of this lesson, I have a live session of shadowing which I will actively practice with you to show you how it works. So basically, nothing is left to imagination. We will practice the shadowing technique in this very lesson. Let's go. What is shadowing technique? Simply put, listen to a native speaker, and when they are speaking at the very same time, real time, you have to mimic, you have to copy the way they are saying it, the lines they are speaking, the pronunciation, the stress points, the manner, all of it. So simply repeat the style and the text and the content, everything that they are speaking, the way they are saying it. That'll make you sound like an echo. And trust me, it develops a style of speech which you're seeking because you start sounding more natural, more relatable, more confident. Remember, not after them, not before them, or not much later. You have to say it real time with them, with the native speaker, whoever it is that you're trying to emulate or copy. Copy everything, the rhythm, the pace, the pauses, the style, the tone, all of it. Just a reminder so that you don't miss the entire point of the lesson. Now let's get into how to achieve fluency with the shadowing technique, how it actually works. Let me explain why shadowing works. Basically, the correct delivery of English as a language requires your mouth muscles to move in a particular manner. So basically, when you're trying to emulate someone, copy someone, you are essentially moving your mouth exactly the way they do it. And this helps you achieve correct pronunciation, correct tone, and that makes you sound natural. That is why it's done real time. Shadowing helps achieve fluency. Trust me, when you shadow someone, you develop a real flow in conversation. While I'm not undermining the importance of grammar and its rules, it's an absolute must. Otherwise, you will never really have a rock solid foundation when it comes to delivering the content that you deliver. You will lack the confidence when you speak. But in shadowing technique, the emphasis is on developing a conversational flow. That happens when you mimic a particular style, and that's why the shadowing technique works brilliantly in making you sound natural. In the shadowing technique, you're speaking along with the speaker. This kills hesitation. Normally, I have heard my viewers tell me or my learners tell me that we hesitate to speak. Thoughts don't come to us. Basically, when you shadow someone, you're constantly speaking the language. That develops comfort with the language. So that's exactly why the shadowing technique works in allowing you to speak in a flow without really thinking a lot. Apart from killing your hesitation, it also improves your listening skill. You won't believe how much emphasis I lay on this skill if you want to sound like a native speaker. Simply, if you have organically grown in an environment where you have heard the language, you'll pick up the nuances of that language. It's simply like learning our mother tongue. India is blessed as far as languages are concerned. We are actually a melting pot of cultures and languages. I am a South Indian, but when I speak in my South Indian language, that's when I sound, very different. I sound more like a South Indian with the natural dialect because in my childhood years or my formative years, I've grown up with that particular language. The reason I have developed a passion for English is because of my convent education, because of all the viewing and listening of content in English over the years on HBO or Star World. So many attractive series and so many great shows that I have watched, even movies. That has contributed immensely to my natural speaking style in English, which, my learners often tell me, ma'am, you don't sound like, a South Indian. So basically, this happens when you have grown up in that environment. So listening is a very integral part of the shadowing technique because you're listening and repeating simultaneously. The best part about the shadowing technique is you don't need to dedicate a lot of time during the day. I would say 5 minutes a day, but before that, if you could identify a speaker who is at your current language level, it could be basic, advanced, or at an intermediate level, at any level that you feel comfortable, yeah, this is the person I would like to emulate, or this is the person I would like to copy or mimic because I'm understanding what the person is speaking, or I find it relatable to my current language level. Pick up that speaker's videos and make it a point to use that as your reference point for the shadowing technique. Otherwise, devote 5 minutes a day to this technique. This is one among the many techniques which we need to incorporate in our routine so that we become proficient in English communication. What should you select to practice the shadowing technique? As I mentioned earlier, pick up the language level which you feel is relatable to your current level of speech. Second point, you could pick up a movie or any video clip, a podcast, a particular public figure or a news reporter who you follow actively. You could even refer to my videos. You could possibly pick up any of my videos and use that for your shadowing technique practice. So the sky is the limit. We are living in the digital era and certainly not short of resources that we could pick up and use. So I highly urge you, find those, videos or clips that work for you, and that should be your reference point for shadowing. One solid tip I could give you is you could dedicate 1 week to one video as well. You could repeatedly do it and see your progress day on day. How did you perform in the shadowing technique on day 1 using the same video clip and on day 7 following the same video clip? So you can see your progress because you are the best judge as to how did you perform on day 1 and on day 7. So what's the method actually? First time when you're listening to the clip, just listen to it. Select a few lines or a particular extract or snippet that you want to emulate or copy. Listen to it. Listen to the tone, the rhythm, the method of speaking, the voice modulation, variation. And at first, don't pick up anything where the speaker is too fast in the delivery of content. Pick up something which is a natural pace and sounds very organic. Okay, so that makes it easier for you to practice and imbibe. Second part is when you repeat it or say it again with the speaker. Automatically, you'll be more tuned to the natural speaking style. And if you've missed something the first time around, you tend to pick it up at this point of time. Don't get very hooked onto saying every word if it tends to slip away initially. Over a period of time, you'll find the rhythm and the pace of saying it right. So my humble submission to you is kickstart this exercise and gradually you will ease into it and you will be able to do it 100% accurately. Trust me, it's not a mindless exercise of simply copying someone. Your brain is getting tuned to the fact how to actually sound natural in communication. And that's what you're learning. So this is a very fruitful exercise. But yes, if done mindfully and dedicatedly, consistency is the key. Let's practice together. For each level of learner, I have a shadowing technique lesson in place for the rest of the video. So watch out for what is going to follow because you're going to shadow me. First up, I would recommend that you should listen to me. So the passage 1, listen to me first. Once I complete that, replay that bit, and then you could shadow me, which means say it simultaneously alongside me. Okay, so let's dive into passage 1. Passage 1. I'm trying to improve my English every single day. I watch English videos, I read English articles, I even practice my speech in English every single day. Trust me, it's not easy, but I know I'm getting there through consistent practice. And yes, one day I will achieve my goals because I'm sure that every single step counts. Now, follow the 3-step magic process for passage 1. Step 1, listen to that part completely in complete silence. Step 2, repeat it with me simultaneously as I'm speaking. Step 3, repeat the same exercise again. You could do this exercise for a complete week as well till you imbibe the nuances. It totally depends on your learning style and your learning level. Trust me, watch the magic unfold. You could even record yourself to see the improvement that you achieved. Passage 2. Here the level of difficulty is slightly higher than the previous level. So if this is the level that you relate to, you could shadow this particular passage. You have to follow the 3-step process here as well. First, listen. Second, you need to say it aloud with me. And the third step is you could repeat that exercise till the point that you feel you've done justice to this exercise. So let's get into passage 2. I'm trying to level up my English every single day. I'm being an avid reader and I read a lot of English articles. I also actively listen to English videos and consistently I have been practicing speech in English. Well, trust me, I'm far from being perfect, but I know consistency is the key. And yes, I'm placing my bets on every single step counts. So keep at it till you get there. Passage 3. The level of complexity and vocabulary is slightly higher than the previous 2 passages. If you find this relatable, go for this one. I'm trying to achieve proficiency in English language communication. Daily voracious reading of articles, actively listening to content in English, also active consistent speech practice. Trust me, these are all sure short ways to achieve success in English language communication. I have been consistently practicing this day in and day out. I'm far from being perfect, but I'm slowly, steadily, yet surely going to get there. And yes, every single step counts, and that's what I'm placing my bets on. To sum it up, follow the 3-step process in shadowing technique. Make it a point to first hear the piece or the passage which you're going to shadow. In that, pick up the nuances of rhythm, tone, style of speaking, voice modulation, pauses, all of it. Attempt it alongside me when you play the part of the passage again and say it with me real time. And the third step is to repeat that shadowing method as many times as you deem fit to achieve the level of proficiency you're seeking. This is a brilliant technique followed by learners across the globe and makes you sound like a natural speaker. I'm excited to bring more such lessons to all of you because I know that my learners love listening to what I have to offer. And I get this feedback all the time, especially to all of you who have watched my videos and then enrolled with us for our programs. So if you think you need professional support beyond the videos that you're watching and learning, then you could reach out to us and we have exciting programs for you to guide you professionally in learning English language communication. So, till then, happy learning at English Excellence with Chaya.